Hello everyone, Karen Miller here. Today I'm going to use some of the leftover millet that I cooked for my spinach and black bean dish. I'm going to use it to make a stir fry with some veggies that I have in my refrigerator. So you can use whatever veggies you have on hand, or you can do the stir fry with some peas and carrots. You can use snow peas. I like the crunch of the snow peas. You can use, I'm going to use some kale, some baby kale. So whatever you have on hand, okay? So I'm going to chop this up. I'm going to dice it. Right, so, and the contrast in the millet is going to be really good. So when I come back, we're gonna go to the stove and start doing a quick stir fry. So guys, we are at the stove. Put some oil. Gonna add some leeks. So when you cook things like quinoa or the millet or the rice, just when you have leftover, just do a quick stir fry with veggies that you have on hand. You don't have to go to the store and spend extra money. Whatever you have on hand. I added some pepper flakes, raw peppers, so when I come back, I'm going to add some other things and we go ahead with the recipe. I was poking around in the refrigerator and I came across some celery. So I'm going to add some celery here that I chopped up. Let's add some salt, some black pepper, and some coconut amino. This is a new coconut amino that I found, and I think it's less sweet than the other one that I used. And this one is gingery lime flavor. They have teriyaki flavor. So I'm gonna put a little bit here. Now we're going to add our millet. What else do I have that I can put in here? Oh, I think I have some olives. I'm going to put some olives in here, but I'm going to do it after I put the millet in here. Stir this in. Add a bit more oil again. Because this is done. This is cooked, guys. It's quick. Add some more of the coconut amino. Going to add a bit of water. And then when I come back, I'm going to add my last two ingredients, some green olives and maybe some Kalamata olives I think I have, and some kale, some baby kale. So this is still warm, hot actually. I turned off the stove and I'm going to add, you know, like 2 handfuls of baby kale. Mix that in. So it's going to wilt and get soft because this is hot. And then, you know, you have a bit of freshness here. And then the last thing I'm going to add is some olives. Stuffed olives, green olives, and some Kalamata olives. These ones here. This red here is the pimento. That's what it's stuffed with. And you know, this is so colorful, guys. So that's it. That's the dish. So do this quick dish with leftovers and you're gonna be happy. This is really tasty. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.